Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kawai na kijaka puli kabapaw baha omtang hagajala Henry hagathan shatela mingi hi baro kawai ka Union Christian College kabadon ho umber ribhoi district menda kasi klayo ban play padba ya ka Sdang ban Rakhe ya ka Jingdap nyopusan Snem ka Jingya linti ha ka Jingshakri ban ai ya ka Jingnang Jingstad chiki khon Samla kani ka Rakhe ka banne shi Snem linter Lapan long ling ba kapang pedeng established by grace, empowered for tomorrow, ripples of the living water. Hagaktin nongway. Hagane kasi Sdang ya kajing Rakhe, lasaki kajing wan, yeshim benta do ba prestun tensong usimbot mintri rang ba kajila, u Dr. Celestin Lingdo, u MLA k Omsning, u Dr. RM Mani, u Principal ka UCC, Lor ki wayde ki nong hikai, ki nong tre ka college lembat ki khna school. Haba ai jingkren ha kani kasi na kalyang uba plus tunten song ula ai ka jingero ya kani ka college ka balong ka way na kijaka pule ka bapakatam ha ka jila bat ka than chatela mingi bat yai long ru kumju hadu kini kisngi ki bamenta uba plus tunten song ula ai khublei karpang ru shakinong seng kani ka college lingba ka North East India Christian Council ba dei lingba ka jingo ijngai bat ka jing shampang ka jongki ba kani ka college ka yeng bat ka long kumba ka long Hadu menta na do bala seng ya ka haus nem shi haja khandai spa san puar ulo ongru baka sorgar jila ka don ya ka thong ka ba hakmat e ban kintiu ban wan ka jingkala ha ka puli puthi hapo ka jila bat kermens khem ba shi sin kasngi ka jila kan la ban kan jo sha ka thong ban long shi spa na ki shi spa ikinong shong shnong ki baranang rasta ha ka ni kasi uba preston tensong ula ai ru ka jingkular na kalyang ka sorkar kalong ka balakloy bandon ya ringkat lada ka college ka don kam ha kanu kuno kopor
Awarded the best student at several occasions in camps in the NCC.
Entering this campus, I feel like I'm somewhere in Europe. And Preston Thompson from a village, a rural area, stepping into this campus is unimaginable. And let me tell you about the name of UCC. During my school time, it was one of the best institutions in Meghalaya as well as in northeastern states. One of the best. I think let us go back to the history and you can also see the records as it is. And I'm very sure students who has the opportunity to upload themselves about the knowledge in this campus are fully being blessed by the presence of Almighty God. That's why you are as you are. Your faces are shining, smiling, full of love, full of affection. It is because of that. So let me put it on record. On behalf of the state government, number one, I salute the founders of this institution. I salute the Northeast India Christian Council for conceptualizing of having this institution in the state of Meghalaya. So I would like to share with you, government is trying to also be part of this institution. Whenever needs arises, we are here with you, and we also assure all of you that we will continue to be a very close partnership with all of you. My dearest students, government of the day, we are spending more time in focusing of how transmission should take place in education sector. We have tried our best, and we keep trying, and I'm very sure one day we will be able to see that Meghalaya is 100% literacy rate covered. One of them, in fact, we are focusing on inclusive education. The day when the NEP has to be implemented in the entire nation, not less than 5-6 times we had a series of meeting ourselves going through this policy, which is very, very challenging, being a small state like Meghalaya. But as I've said to you, with the help, with the guidance of Almighty, at least 35 to 40% of this policy now are in place. And we will see that the policy is fully implemented in the years to come. My dear students, let me also tell you, just few months back, government has just completed its commitment to ensure the primary and upper primary schools are properly run, are properly managed. And I'm happy to tell you that from 1st April of this year, even the pay structure of teachers was attained.